Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Dr. Bloomfield, the vases, and Mr. Crawford that were in the recent East Portland by-election. And if you guys don't know who Dr. Bloomfield is, let me give you guys a quick refresher. Dr. Bloomfield was in charge of East Portland, and he was found stabbed to death February 2nd of 2019. And people were speculating, saying that he's an older gentleman and he doesn't have a wife and all these things, and he was gay, but that didn't mean anything, and that certainly doesn't mean that he should have died the way he did. But a 21-year-old man was charged with the murder of People's National Party member of Parliament for East Portland, Dr. Linval Bloomfield. Police Corporate Communication Unit a short while ago identified the accused as Simon Anthony Sutherland of Buff Bay address in the parish. The CCU said Sutherland was charged following a question and answer session with investigators. Sutherland was previously picked up by police for questioning, but was later released and rearrested after evidence emerged connecting him to the scene of the murder. And they're saying that they have forensic evidence linking him to the scene of the crime where Dr. Linval Bloomfield was actually stabbed to death and killed. Bloomfield, whose death sent shockwaves across the country, was stabbed to death at his Paisley Gardens home in Portland on February 2nd. He was laid to rest on February 23rd following a Thanksgiving service at the Church of the Open Bible in Port Antonio. So they did a by-election and Miss Vaz won that by-election. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about all the speculations that went on when Dr. Bloomfield was first killed. And one of the speculations from people in Portland was that East Portland was a stronghold for PNP for years, okay? 4 years, and I did my research. And we're going to go all the way back to 1989. And I'm going to read from a Gleaner article. And it says, Bloomfield, a medical doctor by profession, first won the seat in 2011 on a People's National Party ticket. So he won it in 2011. He managed to retain the seat in 2016 despite the party's defeat at the polls. So he won it in 2011. He lost it the years in between 2011 and 2016. He retained that seat from 2016 until 2019, February 2nd, the day of his death. So 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. He held that seat for almost 4 years straight. PNP had East Portland for almost 4 years straight. Now we're gonna go all the way back to 1989, and we're gonna talk a little bit more about the PNP, JLP, and Marie Vaz and Crawford, because I've been paying attention to their elections and their back and forth and all of that, and I've been patiently waiting on this election to come full circle. The Jamaica Labour Party's Anne-Marie Vaz has won the Portland East by-election. Ms. Vaz received 9,917, while the People's National Party, Damian Crawford, received 9,611 votes. So she won by 306 votes. That's a bit too close for comfort, but okay. There were 36,315 registered voters in the constituency, with Director of Elections Glasspoll Brown, saying that there was a 53% voter turnout at the close of polls. The by-election was triggered by Dr. Bloomfield killing. The PNP had held the Portland East seat since February 9th of 1989. Let me read that again. The PNP had held the Portland East seat since February 9, 1989. And if you don't believe what I'm telling you, you can read it for yourself. It's on rgrnewsonline.com and it's titled, let me find the title for you guys. JLP Anne-Marie Vaz wins Portland East by election. And that is where I found it. Let me repeat it again. The PNP has held the Portland East seat since February 9th, 1989. In the last general election in 2016, the party had won the seat by more than 2,000 votes, receiving 8,606 votes to the JLP 6,330 votes. So in 2016, when Dr. Linval Bloomfield won, he won with over 2,000 more votes than the JLP. So how come now Ms. Vaz win with only 3,000 more votes than Crawford? And honestly, I feel like the person that would have been best suited for that position didn't win. And the government business in Jamaica is a very dirty, corrupted one. And this just further, this further shows how corrupted it is, and further shows that people's speculation about why Dr. Bloomfield was killed, saying that they wanted that seat, was right. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't take my word for it. Go do your own research. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave the rest of your comments in my comment section and I'll interact with you below. Like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.